Ever felt like navigating the world of cryptocurrency trading in the US is like trying to decipher an ancient scroll? You're not alone. With regulations constantly evolving and different platforms offering varying levels of access, it's easy to feel lost in the digital sea. And if you've been eyeing Kraken, a major player in the crypto exchange arena, you might be wondering, what exactly can US traders do on this platform? That's precisely what we're diving into today. Forget the generic "Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel." We're cutting straight to the chase because your time is valuable, and the crypto landscape waits for no one. Kraken has established itself as a significant global exchange, known for its robust security measures, a wide array of supported cryptocurrencies, and a suite of trading features. However, the experience for US traders isn't a carbon copy of what's available to their international counterparts. Due to the complex and often fragmented regulatory environment in the United States, Kraken has had to tailor its offerings to comply with specific state and federal guidelines. So, let's peel back the layers and explore what's currently on the table for US-based crypto enthusiasts on the Kraken platform. First and foremost, the core function of any cryptocurrency exchange, buying and selling digital assets, is indeed available to US traders on Kraken. You can access a substantial list of cryptocurrencies, ranging from the well-established giants like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, to a diverse selection of altcoins. The specific cryptocurrencies available might vary slightly depending on your state of residence due to differing state-level regulations, but generally, the core offerings are accessible. The process is fairly straightforward. Once you've completed the necessary identity verification, a standard procedure on regulated exchanges to comply with Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, regulations, you can link your bank account or utilize other accepted funding methods to deposit fiat currency, like USD. This fiat can then be used to purchase your desired cryptocurrencies through various order types, including market orders for immediate execution at the best available price and limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price. Beyond spot trading, Kraken also offers more advanced trading features for eligible US users. Margin trading, which allows you to trade with borrowed funds, potentially amplifying both gains and losses, is available to certain US residents who meet specific eligibility criteria. These criteria often involve factors like trading experience and account balance. It's crucial to understand the risks associated with margin trading before engaging in it, as it can lead to significant financial losses if not managed carefully. Another feature that piques the interest of many traders is staking. Staking involves holding certain cryptocurrencies in your wallet to support the network's operations and, in return, earning rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. Kraken offers staking services for a selection of proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies to eligible US users. The specific coins available for staking and the annual percentage yields, APYs, can vary, so it's always a good idea to check the Kraken platform for the most up-to-date information. Staking can be a relatively passive way to earn rewards on your crypto holdings, but it's important to consider factors like lockup periods and potential unbonding times. For those looking for more sophisticated trading tools, Kraken provides access to advanced order types beyond basic market and limit orders. These can include stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, take-profit orders to automatically sell when a certain price target is reached, and conditional orders that execute based on specific market conditions. Understanding and utilizing these order types can be beneficial for implementing more nuanced trading strategies. Furthermore, Kraken offers over-the-counter, OTC, services for high-volume traders. This allows individuals or institutions to execute large trades directly with Kraken's trading desk, potentially bypassing the open market and mitigating price slippage that can occur with substantial orders. Access to Kraken's OTC desk typically requires meeting certain volume thresholds. Now, let's address some of the areas where US traders might find limitations compared to their international counterparts. Due to the regulatory landscape, certain features or cryptocurrencies that are available globally might not be accessible in the United States. This is not unique to Kraken, it's a common reality across many cryptocurrency platforms operating within the US. One area where U.S. users might see restrictions is in access to certain newer or less established cryptocurrencies. The listing of digital assets on exchanges in the U.S. is subject to rigorous legal and compliance reviews, which can sometimes result in a more curated selection compared to platforms operating in less regulated jurisdictions. Another aspect to consider is the availability of certain advanced financial products or services. For instance, some platforms globally might offer crypto derivatives trading, like futures or options, or more complex lending and borrowing mechanisms. These types of offerings are often subject to stringent regulatory oversight in the U.S. and might not be readily available on all platforms, including Kraken, for U.S. residents. It's also important to be aware that regulations can vary significantly from state to state within the U.S. This means that a cryptocurrency or a specific feature available to a trader in one state might not be accessible to someone residing in another. Kraken, like other compliant exchanges, must adhere to these state-specific rules, which can sometimes lead to a fragmented user experience across different regions within the country. To stay informed about what is specifically allowed in your state, it's always recommended to check the Kraken website or app directly after creating and verifying your account. The platform typically provides tailored information based on your registered location. Security is paramount in the cryptocurrency world, and Kraken has built a strong reputation in this area. For U.S. traders, this translates to a platform that prioritizes the safety of your funds and personal information through various measures, including two-factor authentication, cold storage of the majority of digital assets, and robust encryption protocols. While security breaches can unfortunately occur on any platform, Kraken's commitment to security provides a degree of reassurance for U.S. users. Customer support is another critical aspect. Kraken offers various support channels, including a comprehensive help center with articles and FAQs, as well as the ability to submit support tickets for more specific issues. U.S. users can access these resources if they encounter any questions or problems while using the platform. In summary, for U.S. traders, Kraken provides a solid platform for buying, selling, and staking a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Eligible users can also access margin trading and advanced order types. While the selection of cryptocurrencies and available features might be somewhat more limited compared to the global platform due to U.S. regulations, Kraken remains a reputable and widely used exchange for those within the United States looking to participate in the digital asset market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.